Hermes Agent just got a major upgrade. It now runs natively on LM Studio. That means your local models are auto-discovered, loaded on demand with the right context size, and Hermes automatically picks the right reasoning level for each model. In this video, I'm going to show you from scratch how to install Hermes Agent, then how to install LM Studio, and then more importantly, how to integrate both of these. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Let's get right into it and we will keep talking. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system where I have this GPU card and I will be just using it for my LM Studio model. You can use any model of your choice and any GPU card which supports that. First up, I'm going to install LM Studio and the installation is fairly simple. I am installing it in a daemon mode, which means that it runs in the background. All you need to do is to just go to lmstudio.ai, their website, and I will drop the link in video's description. Either install this desktop app for Linux, Mac, and Windows, or click on daemon and then run this script. Daemon is simply a background process in simple words. So LM Studio is being installed, and if you don't know what that is, it is one of the most popular desktop applications for running open source LLMs locally. It gives you a clean UI to download models, manage them, and serve them via a local API endpoint compatible with OpenAI's format. And you can see that it is now good. All you need to do is to just bring that daemon up and it should work. It is waking up LM Studio service, which means that it is just starting that daemon. That is done. I believe that you can also run this LMS command to check out the version. Everything looks good. And now let's install Hermes Agent. Or maybe before we install the Hermes Agent, let's download the model first. In order to download the model, make sure that your server is started in LMS. So just do LMS status and server is on, as you can see, on local host port 1234. No model is there, and if you don't see that on, just do lms server start and that should start it. Server for me is already started. Next up, we need to download the model, so I'm just going to run this command to get this model, and this is the model page. I have just selected this. You can select any model of your choice. Just go to models here, and then there are heaps of models, but make sure you install and run any recent model which supports tool use, which means function calling and that sort of stuff with agentic capabilities. Let's go back to the terminal and then let's download it. Press enter and it is going to download the model. And by the way, if you're looking to rent a GPU or VM on very affordable price, you can find the link to Mass Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates. And of course, I would be highly grateful if you become a member or like the video, hype it and subscribe. Okay, let's go back and see what is happening. And the model is now downloaded. You can also check the status and that should show you that okay, so we just have to restart the daemon and then it should pick it up. And for that you can use this load command. It is going to load it onto your GPU, and that is done. Let me quickly show you the VRAM consumption if you are wondering. There you go, just over 22 gig of VRAM it is consuming at the moment. And the status command is also showing that our model is now loaded. Let's now install Hermes Agent with a single liner. And if you don't know what Hermes Agent is, there are two things which you need to do. First, just remember Hermes Agent is an open source, self-improving AI agent by Now's Research with a built-in learning loop, persistent memory, and now native LM Studio integration. They are just positioning themselves as competitor of OpenClaw. It also auto-discovers your local models and loads them on demand. That is what the key selling feature here is from them. Second thing, just go to my channel, search with Hermes Agent. We have covered it in more than 70 videos from different angles, comparisons with different models, different harnesses, and the list goes on and on. We have also covered it with Olama if you are interested. So this is what Hermes Agent is. Let's go back and see what is happening. Almost there. And now it is asking us for the full setup. So I'm just going to go with a quick setup. And from here, you can see that you can select this LM Studio. Sorry, number 3 here, local desktop app with built-in and all that stuff. There are various other options as you can see here. So I'm just going to select this and then just press enter for the local one. Don't worry about the current model, we will fix it later. And I will just go with this because this is where our LM Studio is running. Now you can see that it has identified our Quen model which we loaded onto our LM Studio. And then I don't want to configure any channel like Discord and other. We already have covered it in another video uh, where you can configure WhatsApp, Telegram and all that stuff. So all done. It is saying that if I want to start chatting, you can simply select no or yes, whatever, and then maybe we can launch it. It is going to launch that Hermes agent on our local system. First time it takes a bit of a time because it just initializes some of the core components and bridges. So there you go. So Hermes agent is running. It is integrated with our LM Studio powered Quen 3.6 35 billion, of course, in quantized format, and it has also given us some of the other information, all the skills which are available, and all the nitty gritty which comes with it. These are the available tools which get loaded around browser and stuff. So you can just start talking with your model here, whatever you want to say, like hello or something. So it initializes the agent and then you can talk through it. Okay, now this is something very interesting. I mean, this might not happen to you if you are using any other model, but you can see that it tells you what exactly is the problem here. Let me tell you how to fix this. So just sorry, press Control C couple of times, and then first up, let's unload the model. And now we need to load the model again, but with larger context window, because the error was that context window was too small. LM Studio loaded the model with only 4096 tokens, but Hermes needs at least 64K minimum. So we are just reloading the model with the correct context size. Context size or context window is simply the amount of data, in very simple words, or amount of tokens a model can handle at any given point in time. So we have reloaded the model with the correct context size, and you can also check out the status, and the model is now loaded. As you can see, you can ignore this one. Maybe this is just a bit of a bug in LM Studio. They will fix it because this is the model which we have loaded here. Okay, now let's launch our Hermes again. And you can launch it by just typing this Hermes here. And now let's say hello again. And this time you can see that it is now working. It has also gone with that context window. This is how much it is using, and it has responded us back. So this is how you can install both of these Hermes agent plus LM Studio, and then you can load the model and get it served through Hermes agent and have fun. Let me know what you think about this. Again, please follow me on X and also consider becoming a member. Thank you for all the support.